As always, paper. What's going on, guys? We got a package in the mail today from Adams Polishes. They were having a mystery chemical sale. So we got 5 bottles of mystery chems. They were $5 a piece. No idea what they are, and as you can see, I have some stuff already from them that I just... Anyway, so we're just going to go ahead and crack this thing open and see what we got here. That was really not a great cut. Okay. As always, paper. Lots of paper, okay. Woo-wee! What do we have? Oh, dope! Pumpkin spice. That's a collectible I don't have yet. Whoop! Don't break it. Adams Mystery Detail Spray. Also don't have that yet. Man, this is turning out really good. Another pumpkin spice. Okay, so this was a win. This was hands down just a win. All of our nozzles. I do have one of these already, tucked in the back somewhere. But we got a Adams Polish Black Friday Collection Tire Shine and Adams Polishes Black Friday Ultra Foam, which is awesome. I do have one of those. It's right up here. I don't know if you can see it, but that is awesome. Oh, and how sweet are they? Sweethearts. Sweet tarts, whatever. And a card. Okay, I don't know what that is. And then my packing slip. Let's go ahead and throw that on the ground. Lay these out on the man desk so you guys can see all of them. These are all limited edition or special edition sprays or chemicals. So that is awesome. That's what we got today. Looks pretty sweet. I'm not gonna lie. I would have loved to get these ones, but I did not. I wonder. Let's see. Adams Detail Spray is the #1. And I wonder if this has like a scent with it. Maybe I can crack this thing open. It does have a scent. I couldn't tell you what it is, but it smells delicious. I'm not gonna drink it, but these are both pumpkin spice detail spray. It does smell like pumpkin spice, actually, so it's probably the same thing. Yep, this is too, but it's not as strong. So that's what we got today. I think that's a win, in my opinion. You can add that to the collection up here that I have. I do like to collect the special edition things. I got the Valentine's Day detail spray, Cars and Coffee. I do have, as you can see, I have quite a few of the, I have quite a bit of the Black Friday stuff up here already. So I'm gonna add this stuff to my collection, which is awesome. No, I'm not OCD. I just want to make sure everything's lined up perfect as it should be. So that's what we got today. I think that was a pretty good deal. These were $5 a piece. I think they're still having the sale. So if they are, definitely go check it out. And I know that they're having a mystery shirt thing going on as well. I did not get one of those, but I did get these, and I think this is a win. So I hope you guys are having an awesome day. If I have not mentioned it yet, my car hit black ice the other day, and I went off the road into a ditch. It's still drivable, but I've already had it to the shop, and they've estimated $3,300 worth of damage. So in a couple weeks, I'll be taking it there for them to fix it up. Like I said, it's still drivable. There's nothing. I think it's all just cosmetics for the most part. My fog light broke, and I think one of the sensors needs to be replaced. Other than that, though, it's like the bumper, the front bumper, the grill, the wheel well fabric, like that felt in the wheel well, and then it's not the skid plate, but it's the I guess it's plastic. It's just the plastic plate underneath the car that attaches to the front bumper that needs to go to be replaced as well. So unfortunately, that happened. So everybody drive safe, especially in Chicago, because at that time they had not taken care of the roads as well as I thought they were going to be. So hope you guys are having a blessed day, and we'll catch you next time.